everyone. Thank you for being with us during the lunch break, I believe. So we really appreciate you guys sitting here. I'm Kamila Wincenciak, and this is Konrad Radzik. We are from Fintech Department from Alior Bank. We'll tell you a little bit about our approach to open banking.
And we are waiting for the presentation.
Okay.
Yes, so as probably you know, the banking and financial world is constantly changing. For example, just think about mobile banking. Just 10 years ago, there were first mobile applications on the market, and now mobile banking is one of the most important channel in banking world. So we as a bank, we need to follow all of trends that appears on the market. First of all, we need to follow customer changes in customer needs and expectations. What's more, also we need to follow and use new technologies appearing on the market, such as biometrics, artificial intelligence, or blockchain. And last but not least, regulations. We are in the regulated sector, so we have to also prepare our products and services according to the changes in regulations area. So a great example is PSD2. This is a totally new way of the banking, as we know. So thanks to it, there will appear on the market totally new players, such as technology giants or e-commerce platforms, or just fintechs and startups that can offer totally new products and services which were previously reserved for banking.
Yes, we're not going to tell you all the details about PSD2 because I believe our friends from PKO BP just said loads of interesting information. So we're going to focus on our approach to show you how we see this and how we want to make use of this. PSD2 is, well, let's say the winter is coming for the banks and the big corporations that want to sit and watch how the world is changing by the technology and all the other factors that Konrad said, and we're just here. We don't want to do that. We're a pretty young bank. We're 10 years old, so comparing to other banks, we're young and we're still trying to be agile and change when the world and the environment is changing. So we're not going to be just PSD2 compliant, no way. We're going to make use of this opportunity. We want to have better access to more data, to create better models based on those data, to become fintech ourselves. We actually treat ourselves as a fintech. We have a lot of fintechs inside Alior Bank spinning off and making use of the new directive as well. And also, finally, the Fintech Partnerships. This is very important for us, not only for us particular because we're responsible for that in Alior Bank, but for us as a bank. This is the completely new era where without fintech, I think we would stay behind. So we're aiming high, and we see open banking as a great opportunity when we all come to one table and bring the best value for our customers by the partnership together with you, with startups. So we want to say about our initiative. We only had 10 minutes, so it's gonna be one initiative.
Okay, sexy. And we decided to start our own acceleration program. It will be fully dedicated to open banking challenge and open banking ideas. We are looking for startups, at least on the MVP stage, from Poland, but also from Europe and whole over the world. And we are looking for solutions based on the open API that answer for real business challenges that Alior Bank needs to two-faced, sorry, and we are looking for solutions that that answer for customer needs. It can be an individual customer or SME customers.
Yes. And a bit about our offer. We're giving you lots of high-quality workshops. We have a lot of partners that we're working with to bring the real value in these workshops. What's most important is that we're giving you top-level managers from Alior Bank. So during the whole acceleration program, you will be able to work with people who are decision makers, and we're hoping to make it easier for you to bring your solution inside Alior Bank's structure and to finalize with POC and to finalize with production implementation. We give you, for those startups that need financing, we give financing up to 150 zloty. API Sandbox, it's our testing environment, testing environments of our open API platform. So every startup will have access to this environment to test your solution and to see where this value, where we have this value and how we can make this final use case of the solution and the model of cooperation. We're giving you the space in our new office in Warsaw Spire. You will be able to work every day from Monday till Friday and maybe even more if you need. And the community access, thanks to our partners. So we have a lot to offer. I'll tell you that on the next slide. And more extra benefits like cloud storage, like legal support, and loads of more are coming. And here are our partners. We're partnering with PZU. So if you're InsurTech, I would really recommend to join our program because this is the biggest, the largest insurance company in Poland, and they're really, really hungry for startups and for innovation inside their company. Huge thing is our partner with whom we have accelerated 20 startups over the last year. So they're really helpful, and we really want to have them on board in this our own edition as well. GPW, Warsaw Stock Exchange, will bring to the table the really wide range of investors, of all the most important investors that would be possibly interested in investing in your projects. And the technology partners, IBM is our partner who brought the technology for Sandbox API. So the Sandbox API is based on IBM technology. Amazon and Google Cloud will also bring more benefits with their cloud offer.
Okay, and now we are starting our recruiting process. So you can apply until 15th of July. After that, we will start our acceleration program, and it is divided to two phases. The first one is a workshop phases when you can develop your ideas with mentors, and the second phase is POC phase to prepare your solution to make a POC with Alior Bank or PZU of our partners. And at the end, we organize a demo day to celebrate our success. So, if you have any questions, you can contact with us. Here you have some contact details. We are also on the stand, on the Alior Bank stand. So, if you want to, you can talk with me or Kamila about acceleration program and what are we looking for. We also have today our friends from human resources. So, if you want to join to our company, we can also talk with them about career opportunities. Yes, and I hope that we will be able to see in our acceleration program. So,
yes,
thank you.
Please join us and come to our stand. We really want to talk to you and to tell you all the great things and answer all the questions about the acceleration program. It is really worth it, believe me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you indeed.